Now what I suggest you doing is to commit our recent changes we have done during live 2. So in live 2 we have done quite a lot of changes for the app, for the diary app, and you can see I have done a git status, and those are the changes we haven't committed. And then we will also initialize git for the backend, for our backend. So for our backend we have a few files, but we have nothing committed because we didn't initialize git. So if I do ls, and then I will just open VS Code here. Awesome. And there I will have a look. So that's the backend we have done. We have added a bunch of files actually, so that was app. Oh no, let's close that one. That's distribution. So if I check in roots, diary roots, we have hello world, and we had ping as well, I think, what we have done just before. So diary, oh, that one shouldn't be there. Okay, and then let's just check. So this we will close that. There are a few files that got compiled next to each other. You see, that's not correct. Support. I will close that one. We don't need plugins. And then roots, so that's the one. And here app.ts, that was the main one. So app.ts, we had ping and pong, and we were returning pong after. That was our last change we have done, and then that was pretty much it actually. So if I do I will quickly do npm. Did we use? I will quickly check here our packages just to make sure the dependencies. So it's nice to have a quick look. Yeah, all of these look okay actually. And then I have Pino, yes. So we just do npm start for now. And we can use Postman just to run again to make sure it's up. We had a 500. Let's just change our IP probably. So we can see here it's probably, let's change to 903, and I will just do npm start again. It doesn't like it, so that's funny. So here if I just do, that's habits, if I go to, okay, that was it, ping, and now that was, the port was 3004. So okay, and I will probably, if you remember, we have added a few different ones. We have start, and then we have test, and then we have dev. So just quickly do dev, npm run dev. Perfect. And oh yeah, I need to install Pino. That's okay, I will keep start for now. And yeah, that's interesting. I need to fix that later somehow, although I don't think I have it already run, but we will fix that. That's an easy fix. We'll fix that later. For now we'll just commit our other changes. That's again, we can remove plugins. That's just like test files, like, you know, the default ones from Fastify. So all of these we can just remove them. So we'll remove plugins as well. And here too, that's just some basic tests. We can remove them too. We'll just do some cleanup here actually. Nothing too fancy. And so now we have diary.root, our main file, and that's it actually. We don't need anything else. tsconfig, So we have our dist, everything looks fine. And then here, that's our git ignore. So we will start initializing our git here, so git init. And I just want to make sure we also have the story. Awesome, it's in there. So git add, we will add everything for now, and we will do commit, initial commit, backend project. Perfect. And here the recent changes we have done. So if you remember the video we have done, so that was the one we were doing last time in the live 2. So in the live 2 we were doing this. It has been actually, for how long? It has been June. Yeah, so June 6th, and now it has been like 2 weeks. Yeah, even a little bit more. So here, yeah, 2-3 weeks. So here what we did, you see we have done the pink endpoint, and then we did pong there. We send it pong, and then we had our app roots, yeah. And after we can see we were still, oh yeah, we had the same issue. I forgot actually that we did get the same error there. When you don't touch a project for like 2-3 weeks, it's easy to forget, because we could test it, like here it did work. Oh, that was the other one, so that was a habit. I'll just check why Fastify gives that error. And that was the my other project I was doing, the habit tracker one. And then we had Pong there, so that was from there when we did. It's nice to record actually, yeah, npm. So I think it's from the comment we got that error that Fastify cannot be run because it already exists. If we look here, if we look there, so npm won't start. That was a formatting error. And then we have our minimum 3, so 1 and 40 here. Title, new line, and then after, yeah, we have the 2 files there. Argument, Fastify instance, and then we apply perfect 200. Oh yeah, we will also use the package, the status code. So we will do like this as well. That's a really good practice to do. And yeah, and the response we were getting. And after, you see, it's nice as a tracker to see if we record, or even Git. Like Git helps us to know the previous changes, so it's easier to debug that way. And then yeah, what we did. So that's right. So now what we do, I just stop the video. So now we have this. I do Git st, by the way, for status. This is it's a nice alias if you are interested to. In Git config I have a lot of aliases, as you can see, and I do Git status, so st for status, ph for push, ci for commit, and I use also ch, so ch or ci for ci for commit, but I think I did oh yeah, and cm, sorry, for commit message. I will just move that one actually down here, and so it's more consistent just after ci commit, cm commit message, ch for checkout, and co for checkout. That's just the same. Sometimes, you know, I just use ch or co, but I know it does the same, so I don't have to think too much. And you see that's all of my aliases. You can use them, feel free, and set them in your git config so you save time because it's shorter to type. And here again we will just commit what we did. So here we have TS Node now and TypeScript. I just did an upgrade of TypeScript to version 5.4, and I will just commit this, and I will say TS Node and TypeScript. So perfect. Git add, git commit, and here I do update TypeScript to 5.4 plus install TS Node. Perfect. And then we will let's do a ls in components. So we have node and navigation route. Oh, that's just a let's check that one. Let's quickly check this. I think this one we see what we do there, and then our node where we will display the node with the content of the node. That will be for after, and this is just the type we have here. So we just do a format, reformat that file, and the route we see for the URL. So at the moment we have this, and we display the title and then the content. Pretty much pretty simple. So I will just do a git add and then add components and screens. Perfect. And that's pretty much it. I will also check that one. The screen is this one, view. So here I have to add also the view from React Native and text as well. I need to add it to import. Yeah, perfect. We have to import. One friend left to sell clothes. One works down by. Let's see here. Yeah. Text. It doesn't have. Okay, so yeah, text this. Okay, so bit per bit, and the styles that will be also, we will have to include that one. So for doing so, I will import style sheet, and then here I will use const styles equals style sheet dot create, and then there I can just have my styling. So for instance, title, I will do title, and then I will have my properties. So again, title is for here, title. So there I will have like font size 14, 15 or 14 pixel, and font weight probably bold. Oops, sorry, don't know what's happening there. And then I would have the same for description, and description we say like font size, it will be 12 pixel, something like that, you know. I don't know why it does this to me. Perfect. And that's pretty much it. And so now we have our styles. Styles. Perfect. Description. I'm not sure why it gives me all these errors here, but it shouldn't. I will format that one. Awesome. Oh, I know why actually it gives those errors. It's because I have an extra curly brackets here. And So we have a few errors actually indeed. So that's not from our roots. We'll use the roots after anyway. And here, container we also need, after we will have the container too. For the moment, this we set nothing there. Description, we will fix that one. We'll have more descriptions later. So container, maybe now we do just flex one. That's it. And what else do we? Let's just check if we have any other issues or errors. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for now. Let's just again do, it's here. Yeah, we fix those TS errors later anyways. Just trying to see if there's anything I can do. Style, no, I think that's pretty much all for now. So you see we have done already quite a bit. Make sure you save that file, the node screen as well, and we can just do git status. So in my case the alias git st, and I can just commit that. Perfect. And here we do like add styling for add stylings, and here to be it's not screen, so we just do not screen just so it's explicit. Awesome. That's all for now. Just to confirm with you, I noticed I've made a few mistakes, or probably I wasn't that focused on what I have done. If you remember well, on mobile app diary I did install previously TS Node, and actually I don't know why, I was probably in the mobile app folder instead of the backend, and the TS Node package was supposed to be installed for the backend and not for the mobile app diary. So if you check the commit we did together here, update TypeScript to 5.4, that's okay, but then install TS Node, that was supposed to be for the backend. And previously, a few days ago, I did install the TS Node, but it wasn't. It was supposed to be for the backend. Well, I think in our previous life we did it, and probably I thought I was in the backend folder and I was in the diary folder. So just to make sure, TS Node, you have to install it in the backend folder and not in the mobile app. And then if I open this one, I will just do a git log as well. Yeah, so just uninstall the TS Node there and install it in the backend, and then yeah, that's all actually. And now we just open again the mobile app here, and also let's remove the node navigation root component because we have a app root instead. And I need to, we will finish that together, but basically it will look like this. And we have the node, that's the name. We will be able to also have an enum like screen name dot node, something like that, and we will be able to have maybe there it will be screen names. I will see the name of the file, I'm not too sure, and then enum screen name, yeah, and here to be not equals not, and we will export that enum, and so there it will be, we just have to import that one. Perfect. And maybe I will also move the node screen, so my new, yeah, I think we go there, screen name, I think I will just move it to type, yeah, let's create a new folder, and the folder will be types, like this. We may have actually src folder too. Now I'm thinking we don't have a source folder, and just to architect everything better, let's do a source folder here. I will move my screen name inside of types, and then here screens, so this one, oops, sorry, I will just move that one, and the asset, all of these folders, let's move them to src. Beautiful. And I think that's it for now. And app.roots, yeah, we can create a component later. It can still be a app root component, but at the moment it's a normal file. We will see later. Let's move that on also to src. Awesome. Beautiful. So we have done a few changes. We can go back to our terminal, and here we can do a git st. That's all of the changes we have done. Indeed, there are quite a lot because we have moved the majority of our files to src folder, so that's okay. I will just do a git add everything here in this case, or git add, sorry, I did a comma instead. So git add, perfect. Okay, so now everything, we have all our files in our staging area of git, and now I can just commit that, and my commit will be move files to src, and here we do refactoring. If you wonder, always with git we use the present tense when we write our message. That's a convention. Past, it could be like moved files to src, but normally as a convention we always use the present tense for our commit messages, just so you know. And here refactoring, move files to src. Okay, we have done other changes because we have updated our screen name. Actually we had that already, so we just moved our screen name to the types folder. That's it. We haven't done any other changes, so that's fine. And here I will rename that one to, I will do screen name.type. Yeah, maybe screen name. Actually, maybe just navigation will be better, because for normal file, for type files, in my case I tend to use the kebab, I know it's funny, kebab case. So in programming we have a lot of different way to name as a naming convention, to name our variables, function, or file name. We have camel case, so camel, lower camel case, upper, so upper camel, ups camel case, and here I should do just there, and there I should also just do, okay, and here I will just do lower camel case, and then we have the kebab case, so kebab, and kebab is with a dash like this, and then we have the snake. Usually in Python you would see naming like and functions too. In Python we use the snake, so snake case with the underscore. So kebab case is like this with a dash, and let's do that. So it could have been either screen dash name dot type, but in our case let's use I think navigation could be the best. Navigation dot type dot ts. So let's do that, and now I will first commit that. Awesome. And now I will commit those changes in src types. And that's my new file, so we name screen name file. Perfect. And here let's just have a look. Git show with a git hash, and we rename screen name to navigation.type. Amazing. And so let's just make sure I go there. Oops, it didn't do automatically, so we just will name this to navigation. So why doesn't type? Okay, so normally now should be the same. Yeah, awesome. So let's just update the import as well, and I can close that. Okay, so now you can see the changes. It's the right import, git commit, update, import, and let's just oops, sorry, I will just go back there. I will open again VS Code because I closed it, and we will double check here app JSON, that's fine, and here we have our components. Let's have a look where our file screen components. I will remove the navigation route for now. We have this one, screen, our node.tsx, that's fine. I will quickly have a look, app entry.js, okay. It should be fine. Just want to make sure we are all set here. Okay, so I will update the types there later. It's missing on the phone. Oh yes, I need to add the stack. I have to update. Well, let's do that later, but there are some issues we need to fix as well here, but that's fine. So we are nearly there, and yeah, that's all for this live 3. Let's see each other in live 4.